Welcome back to the channel and thank you again for visiting. In my 4-month review video, I mentioned that there were some things about the laptop that I'd like to see improved, and one of them was battery life. I was getting 5.5 to 6 hours out of a full charge, and I was wondering if there was something that I could do to increase the battery life, and it turned out there is. I decreased the Screenpad brightness down to 50% and the main display brightness down to 75%, and I wound up getting about 9 hours out of it. So long story short, you want to get more battery life, reduce the brightness on the Screenpad and on the main display. Now I did 3 trials with it, and we've got some clips to show you how those worked. It went from 5.5 to 6 hours to 7 hours and finally to about 9 hours. So let's take a look at the clips.
Okay, for the first test of screen brightness on battery life, we're going to set the screen brightness for the Screenpad at its highest setting, and then we'll see how that affects the battery. I've been getting about 5.5 to 6 hours on this setting. Now for the next test of battery life, we're going to change the brightness of the Screenpad, and this time we're going to do it by dragging the sliding bar down this direction to about 50%, and you'll see that it has also changed it here. So now we'll see how battery life does with the Screenpad brightness set at 50%. Okay, for this last trial, we're going to have the Screenpad set at about 50%. And then we're going to come up here to the main display. And we're going to drop it to about 3/4, a little less. That's what I feel comfortable with. And now we'll see how long the battery lasts with those settings.
So now we've seen how to increase the life of the battery when you're working remotely. And all you need to do is reduce the brightness on the Screenpad and the brightness on the main display. Thank you again for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found something useful. And if you did, please like and share. You can leave some comments down below. On this side is a link to the original video, the unboxing and first view of the 532EQ. And on this side is a link for the subscription to the channel. Thank you again, and hope to see you next time.